Hello there, Sev here from Motorhome Dealer Group and welcome to the video guide here on this control panel you see here in front of me. This one here is Adria branded, but yours may be different. It's very simple. It comprises of this sort of back panel here, and it does have a Truma CP control panel here mounted inside the remainder of the panel. So yours may have this, it may have something else here, or it may just be this portion to the left. But as you can see, we have essentially a blank panel, but if you look carefully, you can see the etchings and things for the lights and LEDs that are going to show up as we start to use the panel. But the main defining feature is this central rotary encoder here, which we can turn, but we can also push it in. And when we do so, the panel comes to life. And immediately you can see the power symbol just here illuminated. Next door to the left, you can see we have a mains electric symbol to show this vehicle is plugged into mains electric. Of course, if you're not on hookup, then this will not illuminate. And as we move the rotary encoder, we're basically going to see different things light up. So over to the left here, the far left, we have illuminated this symbol here, which is indicating the front of a vehicle. So this is the vehicle battery. You can see the little battery symbol there. So this is the vehicle or engine battery, and it's showing the voltage of that battery. If I move the rotary encoder one click to the right, we've now got the back of the vehicle and a battery. So that's the leisure battery or the habitation battery, and the voltage is indicated there. Moving across one more, we are back to the sort of central screen or display, if you like, which just shows the power symbols, an active icon there of the mains electric hookup. But if I move the next one over, we're now over here to the right. We see a little water drip inside a box. This is your freshwater tank capacity, and you can see it on the gauge. Now, if I click the rotary encoder in whilst on here, we then turn on the water pump, and you can see the dripping tap symbol there to indicate that. If I move back to the left to the sort of main panel or display, if you like, you can now see how that looks when the motorhome or leisure vehicle is completely set up so that you're on mains hookup and you have the water pump running. Moving across from the freshwater tank, we then have the wastewater tank capacity, and this particular vehicle's tank is empty. Now, pressing the rotary encoder in on this position or either of the battery positions has absolutely no effect. Only pressing the rotary encoder in on the freshwater tank indicator will turn on or off the water pump, and likewise pressing the rotary encoder in when on the main or central display, we just press that and that turns the panel off. And that's it. That's how to use this control panel. Hopefully you found this video useful. I'm Sev, and thank you very much for watching.